Find the equation of the hyperbola which satisfies the given conditions. First one, asymptotes. Y equals 71 over 3 minus 4x over 3, and y equals 4x over 3 minus 17 over 3, and vertex at 17,9. Okay, let's have a review. Alam natin na yung intersection ng dalawang asymptotes, nandun yung center. Okay, so we can solve these two equation. Hanapin natin yung intersection nilang dalawa. Then we can solve for the center. And there is one given vertex here. So, ang gawin natin, alamin lang natin gaano kalayo yung intersection o yung center na yung intersection nitong dalawang lines na to, which is the center, gaano siya kalayo kay vertex. So, we already have the A. And then, mamaya isipin natin paano natin solve si B at si C. So, let's first solve y equals 71 over 3 and the other one, that in the other equation for the center. So, we have, so rewrite lang natin. So, we have y equals 7, sorry. So, we have y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 71 over 3. So, nire-write ko lang ito, pinagpalit ko. Yung kabilang equation, y equals 4 over 3x minus 17 over 3. So, we'll notice, kapag pinag-plus lang natin itong dalawang equation na ito, makakancel na yung x. So this will become 2y. 2y equals, so this will be cancelled out. So, wala na tayong x. So, 71 minus 17. So, what is 71 minus 17? If you don't know, so just use calculator. 71 minus 17, that is 54 over 3. What's 54 over 3? That is 18. So, we have, let's just rewrite that first one. We have 54 over 3. So, sorry. 54 over 3, or 2y is equal to 18, or y is equal to 9. So we have a value for y. We have 9. And then we just have to choose alin pwedeng yung una, pwedeng pangalawa to solve for x. Gamitin na natin itong una. So we have y equals, substitute na natin. So using the first equation, so we have 9 is equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 71 over 3. And then, we solve for this. 9, lipat ko to sa kabila. Sorry, lipat ko yung 4 over 3 sa kabila. Lipat ko to sa kabila, and then yung 9, lilipat ko naman sa kabilang side. So mangyayari dyan, mapupunta na dito si 4 over 3. So, maging positive na siya. 4 over 3x equals yung 9 maging minus. So, we have 71 over 3 minus 9. So, para mas madali, i-over 3 din natin to. So, you have 4 over 3x equals 71 over 3 minus, if this is over 3, so, para maging 9 ulit siya, kailangan yung numerator is 27. So, we have 27 over 3, 9 pa rin yun. So, we have 71 minus 27. What is 71? Sorry. 71 minus 27. So, we have 71 minus 27. 44. So, we have 44. So, 4 over 3x equals 44 over 3. So, 4 over 3x equals 44 over 3. So, ibig sabihin, 4x is equal to 44. So, 4x is equal to 44. Divide everything by 4. So, we have x is equal to 11. So, therefore, the center is at 11,9. Okay, so kung yung center ay nasa 11,9 and we have a vertex at 17,9. So, i-graph lang natin. So, let's graph this. So, this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. Okay, so center is at 11,9. So, let's have this as 11 and this at 9. So this is your center. And then, we have a vertex saan? 17.9. 17.9. So, pagpalagay natin ito si 17. So, nandito yung isang vertex. So, center and then vertex. So, kung ganan yung itsura ng center at vertex, alam natin that our hyperbola, the axis is horizontal. Kasi, ang itsura nan pag ganito pag ganyan. At saka, yung sa kabila pag ganito. Okay? So, we know that the axis is, sorry. Okay, wala na, nadi-drawing yung kabila. Sige, sketch na lang, yan. So, horizontal. So, kung horizontal yon, again, sa baba na lang tayo. Our hyperbola axis is horizontal. So, if the axis is horizontal, si y yung may negative, si x yung positive. So, we have x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared is equal to 1. And we already have a value for h and k. Diba? Center is at 11.9. Center is at 11.9. So, this is your h and this is your k. So, we have x minus 11 squared over a squared minus y minus 9 squared over b squared is equal to 1. Problem is, we can solve for a. Actually, hindi pala problema. We can solve for a. Yung problema pala natin yung b. So, we can solve for a. A is the distance between the center and one of the vertex. So, 11, 17, how far is 11 from 17? So, that is basically 6 units. So, therefore, this length over here is your, which is 6 units, is a over a equals 6. So, we have x minus 11 squared over 6. Your a is 6. So, 6 squared is 36. Minus y minus 9 squared over, we don't have a value for b, so wag mo natin siya ilagay. So, let's solve for b. Ngayon, saan natin kukuhanin yon? Balikan natin to. One of the asymptotes is y equals 4x over 3 minus 17 over 3. Y equals 4 over 3x minus, is that minus? Minus 17 over 3. Minus 17 over 3. Remember, alam natin na yung equation ng asymptote kapag horizontal, so, asymptote kapag horizontal, so pagpalagay natin, nasa 0, 0 muna yung center. So, ito yung axis, ito yung ating hyperbola, and then, it should cross, kapal. Yan, and then, the other one, ito, tatama dapat parehas dun sa center. Okay, so, ito, parang ito yan, si y equals 4 over 3x minus 17. Pero syempre, may center tayo. So, kapag kinuha natin yung equation nito, alam natin that we will rise, so, ito yung dulo ng ating rectangle. Okay? So, the slope of this line, I'm talking about this line, is rise over run, which is b units. This is b units, and this is run. The run units is basically a. So, it's b over a. B over a. So, the equation is y equals b over ax. Kung nasa 0 yung ating center. Pero sa given natin, wala sa origin yung ating center. So, may iba tayong asymptote. So, kaganan. May iba tayong asymptote. So, something like that. So, ito yung y equals 4 over 3x minus 17 over 3. This line over here. So, ngayon, hanapin natin yung rise at saka yung run. Yung run, wala tayong problema eh. We already know the run. The run is 6 units. The problem is we don't know the rise. Okay. Now, if you'll notice, ito yung slope niya, di ba? 4 over 3. The slope is 4, sorry. The slope is 4 over 3. The slope is 4 over 3. The slope is 4 over 3. And, obviously, parang baka na-simplify na to eh. O, diba? Kasi, baka naka-lowest terms na yung slope. So, 4 over 3 yan. Alam natin that this is, the run is 6 units. Rise over run. So, ibig sabihin, kung 3 siya, at galing siya sa 6, ibig sabihin, na-multiply siya sa 2. Or, in this case, na-divide sa 2. So, para yung 3 mapunta sa 6. So, we need to multiply it by 2. So, parang, gawin natin, we have 4, sorry. Ulit. Erase. So, yung 4 over 3, dapat yung counterpart niya, na kapag 6 to, ano tong taas? So, obviously, yung 3 para maging 6, we need to multiply it by 2. Yung 4, you also need to multiply it by 2. So, it will become 8. So, we have a value for B now. This is your A, and this is your B. Okay? So, your B now is 8, and therefore B squared is 64. So, this is your final answer.